How to remove the head unit. This is the center console of the 2011 to 2018 Audi A6 C7. In order to have enough operating space, we need to move the shifter all the way down. And we need to pull up the handbrake to prevent the car from rolling. Use the pry to pry open the air conditioning control panel. Unplug the air conditioner control panel wiring. Use the socket tool to remove the screw fixing the host unit. Unplug the cables underneath. Pull out the host unit.